I'm Eli, and today I will be showing you how to make a video. First, you're going to need a topic. Without a topic, there's no reason to me making a video at all. Like, no reason. Once you got your topic, you're going to need a script to know what you're saying. Like this, and I'll look through it. Yeah. Once you know the material on your script, you're going to need a shot list. And this shot list is pretty long. Whenever you make your shot list, it should be the actual shots. Once you got your shot list down, you're gonna need a storyboard. And storyboard basically just, in pictures, explains what you're gonna be doing. And once you got your storyboard all straightened out, you're gonna need a background. Alrighty, once you've chosen your background, really? You chose the wrong one. Man, just go back to the studio. And once you got your background, you're gonna need lighting. Whew, that is bright. Once you got all your lighting down, you're gonna need to check your audio. Hey, can you guys hear me? Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, okay, sorry. Alright. So after this, it's all just gonna be editing, checking the audio, stuff like that.